Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to generate consistent characters in different scenes using Google AI Studio for free. This is really useful if you are making comics, story posts, or want the same character to appear across multiple images. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and from the dashboard click on Generate Media. Now, start by creating your character. In the text box, write a detailed prompt like generate a cartoon-style character, a young woman with curly brown hair wearing a blue jacket. Once it generates, save that first image because it will be your reference. Next, upload that saved image and use it as the base. In the text box, add a new prompt like place this same character in a classroom setting or place this same character at the beach in summer. The AI will keep the same character features but adjust the background and scene. If the character looks slightly different, make your prompt more specific. You can say things like keep the same curly hair and blue jacket, or maintain the same face and style in this scene. Repeat this process for as many scenes as you like. In just a few clicks, you will have one consistent character showing up across different environments and activities. When you are satisfied, click Download to save all your images for free. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can bring characters to life and use them across multiple scenes without losing consistency. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.